Hi, Guy. Today I'm going to show you how to fix enable safe mode in Elementor WordPress website. Everyone who use Elementor plugin will never meet this problem. So when we going to create new page in WordPress and edit with Elementor, it show loading page too long and going to safe mode like this. So to fix this, just go to page, select the page that have problem, click on quick edit and change the slug name to another name and click update. Then click edit with Elementor again. So now everything work fine. The problem, because if we have create the same page with the same name and we deleted old page, and when we create new page with the same name, so it will affect the slug name like this. Thank for watching.